Hi, and welcome to Tech Talk, the Banker's video series on everything fintech. I'm Joy Macknight, Technology Editor at The Banker, and I'm here with Vaidas Adomauskas, CEO of WoraPay. Thanks for joining us today, Vaidas. Can you tell me a little bit about what WoraPay does?
Hi, it's nice to be here. So with WoraPay, we allow people like you, me, to pay without going to queue. You can do that on your own mobile phone. So, for example, in a cafeteria, you can order your coffee in advance and you get notification when it's ready, and you just go to pickup area and avoid going to queue or to the till machine to pay. Or in the same cafeteria or any shop, you pick goods from the shelf or fridge you want, you pay on your mobile and just leave, again avoiding any queuing. So in essence, we save time for me, you, not to stand in the queue. The interesting part that retailers, our clients, report good results in increased sales and profit. So that's a win-win situation for all.
Okay, great. And how do you team up with banks?
So we're working here with actually Lloyds Banking Group as one of our partners, and we help them to bring this innovation to their corporate clients, right? Retailers are their corporate clients, and they're looking for interesting payments-related innovations. So in this case, the client of Lloyds Banking Group could provide the same experiences of people not queuing. As a good way to try an experience is to try it yourself, right? So Lloyds Banking Group first launched it in their own cafeterias, and in London, Bristol, Halifax, including headquarters, and thousands of Lloyds Banking staff today is using our service. 70,000 cups of coffee or tea already been ordered, and that saved them 2,500 hours already from queuing. We counted annually, Lloyds Banking Group will say about 10,000 man days from people standing in the queue. So we believe this is great. You can chat, you can play, you can work if you want that hours, but not physically stand in the queue for your coffee sandwich, in that case in the cafeteria.
Okay, excellent. And you moved from Lithuania to London. What was the reasons behind that?
So yes, originally our idea was born, and we ourselves were from Lithuania. We developed our solution there. We had quite big brands as our clients. And as a startup, we made many mistakes, made some pivots, learned from them. But once we realized that we have a value proposition that's really ticking for consumers and for retailers, and when we understood that we have a technology that can support it, we looked for a bigger market to scale for sure. And we looked at few and picked UK, London. London is still fintech capital, so it's best to be here with all partners close to you. And for sure, it's a very, very busy city. There is lots of people, and they are eager to save time. This is our value proposition. And we see that people are eager to use technology if it helps them to achieve their own results. And the numbers, the growth in UK proves that. So we're very happy to be here.
Okay. Do you think Brexit, the vote for the UK to leave the EU, do you think that's going to have any impact on the fintech community in London?
Probably it would be naive to say that it won't have, as we already see some global impacts of this. For smaller startup like ours in the beginning phases, probably we won't see that big effect compared to, for example, banks, right? I believe that politicians will be here clever and won't make more restrictions or impose new regulations that would stop fintech innovations. So I'm very positive on that area. Moreover, we see so much willingness from the banks actually to start working with startups for fintech innovations and provide these new ideas to their own clients, that I believe that fintech has a great future despite the Brexit.
Okay, excellent. And you joined Startupbootcamp in 2015. What do you think were the main lessons you learned during the course of the program?
So our goal joining the program was actually, of course, find a way to enter the market fastest. And Startupbootcamp Fintech London Accelerator has a huge mentor network, and those mentors are focused on fintech area. So for sure, we use that network a lot to get the connections, to get the contacts we need. And just again to name that we are working with Lloyds Banking Group, that we are ongoing discussions with MasterCard, that we have a big corporate clients as our clients here. I believe it would be much harder to achieve that without the help of the bootcamp and the mentorship network, and especially to achieve that in such speed that we did. So the speed is the key that gave us advantage here.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for joining us today, Vaidas.
Thank you.